Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Gmail sign-in from your Upwork account. This is particularly useful if you want to switch to a different login method or simply prefer to keep your Google account separate from your Upwork profile. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account. Make sure you're using the credentials associated with the account you want to modify. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Upwork dashboard where you can begin making changes to your account settings. Next, look towards the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon displayed there. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Account Settings. This is where you'll find all the controls for managing your personal information, security preferences, and login methods. Once you're in the account settings page, direct your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various categories for different settings. Click on Password and Security. This section is specifically designed to help you manage how you access your Upwork account, including any third-party login connections like Google. In the Password and Security section, look for the option labeled Log in with Google. Right beside this option, you'll see a button that says Disconnect. This is the control that allows you to remove the Gmail sign-in method from your Upwork account. Go ahead and click on Disconnect to proceed. A confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to disconnect your Google account. This is an important security measure to prevent accidental disconnections. Click on Yes, Disconnect to confirm your choice. Once you do this, your Gmail sign-in will be removed from your Upwork account, and you'll need to use your standard Upwork credentials to log in moving forward. And that's it. You've successfully disconnected your Gmail sign-in from your Upwork account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.